Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are fine and safe. Students, look at the two pictures. Okay, look at the two pictures. So, try to guess the two situations from these two pictures. Okay, students, you will see in the first picture a tiger remains inside the cage and the Brahman is standing there, standing by. And in the second picture you will see the Brahman is praying for his life to the tiger. So students, you see that the two pictures show two different things. In the first picture we have seen the tiger remains inside the cage and praying the Brahman who was standing by there. For what? For helping him to come out from this cage. And in the second picture you see that the tiger is out of the cage and here the Brahman is praying for his life to the tiger. So students, let's read and enjoy a play, and we will see, in order to see what happens to the tiger and the Brahman. So here is a short play. So the important characters in this play are a Brahman, a tiger, a people tree, a dog and a jackal. They are the important characters in this short play. So students, today we are going to read and enjoy a short play which describes about what happens to the Brahman and the tiger in this particular play. So the important characters as described here are the what? As we have discussed, a tiger, a Brahman, a people tree, a duck and a jackal. So let's start this play. So sense group paragraph 1, scene 1. Place a path in the jungle. Beside the path is a trap. A tiger is inside the trap. A poor Brahman passes by. The tiger asks the Brahman to help him. So students, in this play we will see when the first scene starts, it is a jungle path, it is a forest path, and beside the path there is a trap. What is a trap? A trap is an instrument used to catch animals. Okay, a trap is an instrument that is used to catch animals, and inside this trap, what? Now the tiger remains. The tiger remains inside this trap and the Brahman passes by. That means the Brahman is passing on the jungle path and there was a trap was there which used for catching animals, and inside this trap, what? The tiger remains and the Brahman is passing by when the first scene starts, and the tiger requests the Brahman for helping him. Tiger looking very humble. So the tiger requesting the Brahman very politely. Okay, looking very humble. Humble means not having showing the feeling of a superiority. Showing the feeling of a superiority or requesting someone with a very politely. So looking very humble. Let me out of this cage, O pious Brahman. O godly Brahman, O religious Brahman. Here pious means pure, sacred, religious, godly, etc. So when the first scene starts, we see that the tiger remains inside the cage and the Brahman is passing by or passing on the jungle path. So the tiger is requesting humbly to whom? To the Brahman, that O pious Brahman, O sacred, O godly Brahman, please let me out of this cage. Brahman, I can't trust you. If I let you out, you will kill and eat me. So now Brahman shows his reluctance. The Brahman shows his reluctance to let the tiger free. The Brahman, what the Brahman tells, I can trust you, I cannot believe you. Okay, I don't have any faith upon you because you are a wild animal, and if I will set you free, then automatically you will come out from this cage and you will kill me and eat me. So now how the tiger reacts? Tiger with tears in his eyes. No, Holy One, never. How you distrust me? How you don't believe me? Never would I harm you. I could not be so ungrateful. Ungrateful means not being thankful. I could not be so ungrateful. Let me out and I will serve you as a slave for my whole life. So here, when the Brahman was reluctant to let the tiger free from the cage, now the tiger, the tiger with tears in his eyes starts requesting to the Brahman, O Holy One, O Pious One, O godly figure, O religious person. So how you are expecting that I will show ungratefulness, or I will not become thankful to you, such a deed, and how you are expecting that I will kill you. You will set me free and you are expecting that I will kill you. So, O Holy Brahman, please set me free, or please take out me, please set me free out of this cage, and I will remain as a servant. I will serve you throughout my life, and I will show my gratitude. I will remain thankful to you throughout my life. I will remain thankful to you, and I will serve as a slave for you, or I will work as a servant of you. Brahman, very well, I trust you, I believe you, and let you out. Mind, you keep your promise. Okay, so now the Brahman agrees to set the tiger free out of the cage. So, but the Brahman reminds the tiger that very well, I am going to set you free from the cage, but you remember one thing, that you will not harm me. Okay, you have to keep your promise. You promise that you will never harm me. Okay, so you whenever you will come out from this cage, you have to keep your promise. The Brahman opens the door of the trap and let the tiger out. The tiger at once catches the four men. Then suddenly a different situation happens. So now the moment the Brahman opens the door of the cage, the tiger suddenly come out from the cage and catches Brahman. So here you see how the tiger appeared so ungrateful towards a person who helped him to come out from the cage. The moment the tiger come out from the cage, then suddenly he catches the Brahman. Tiger, what a fool you are. Who can prevent me from eating you now? Now the tiger tells, what a fool you are. Who can prevent me now? Who can stop me to eat you now? Okay, you are a great fool to show kindness to a wild beast, to show kindness to a wild animal. So you are a great fool. You are the greatest fool. You are the greatest fool to show kindness to whom? To such a wild beast or to such a wild animal. Now who can stop me or who can prevent me to eat you? Remaining in the trap so long, I feel very hungry, and I am feeling very hungry because I have remained inside this trap for a long period of time. Brahman, you cruel, ungrateful beast. In this way, is this the way to repay an act of kindness? Now the Brahman look at the tiger and tells, you cruel, you so unkind, ungrateful beast. You are not thankful. Beast means animal. You are such unkind beast. You are such a cruel beast. You are such a cruel animal. Even you are not thankful to a person who helped you to come out from the cage. Instead of giving me thanks, instead of showing gratefulness, you are ready to kill me. You are such a ungrateful one. Tiger, oh, never mind that. Oh, never mind that. That is the way of the world. You must be fool to expect gratitude from a hungry beast. So now the tiger tells, oh Brahman, the whole world functions like this. Never expect gratitude or never expect thankfulness from a wild animal like a tiger. The world is behaving in the same way. Once you get assistance from someone, then you start harming that person. The whole world is behaving in the same manner, and you are the greatest fool to expect gratitude, to expect thankfulness from a wild animal like me. Expect gratitude from a hungry beast, from a hungry animal. Brahman, I don't believe it. I don't believe that once you help someone, that person will become ungrateful to you, or will show ungratefulness, or will not show his gratitude to you. So I don't believe this. Tiger, well, you may ask the first three creatures you meet. If any of them say that I am ungrateful to you, I will let you go. Now the tiger tells, okay, if you are telling, if you are not believing in my words, you go and meet any three creatures, and if any of them will tell that I am ungrateful to you, then I will leave you. Okay. So students, I am summing up the first scene. So in the short play, the tiger, the Brahman, and the jackal. What happens in the first scene? In the first scene, a tiger remains in a trap, and the Brahman is passing on a jungle path. Okay, the first scene starts in a jungle path. The tiger remains in a trap. A trap is an instrument used for catching wild animals. So now the tiger requests the Brahman to help him to come out of the cage. In the first case, the Brahman shows his reluctance to help the tiger, because he tells that, oh tiger, if I will let you out from the cage, you will kill me and eat me. But now the tiger in tears requests the Brahman that, oh pious Brahman, oh godly Brahman, oh religious Brahman, please let me out of the cage. I will not harm you. I will show my thankfulness. I will show my gratitude to you, and I will remain as a slave of you. So now the Brahman is moved by the words of the tiger, and he set the tiger free out of the cage. The moment the Brahman sets the tiger free out of the cage, then suddenly what happened? The tiger catches the Brahman, and tell the Brahman to ready to be killed. So now when the tiger wanted to kill the Brahman to eat, so now the Brahman asks the tiger that, oh tiger, I help you to come out of this cage, and is this the right way to behave to such a person who help you? But now the tiger tells, the whole world behaves in the same manner. Okay, the whole world behaves in the same manner, and you are the greatest fool to expect gratitude from a hungry animal like me. I have remained inside the cage for a long period of time, and I have not eaten anything. So now I am going to kill you and eat you. But when the Brahman requests the tiger, when the Brahman asks the tiger that it is not the right way, and I don't believe in this principle, then the tiger tells, okay, you go and meet any three creatures that come across first, and you ask them that whether I have done the right thing or not. If any of them will tell that I am ungrateful to you, then I will leave you. Okay, this is the theme of the first scene. So students, now find out some new words from the sense group, paragraph 1. First word is trap. Trap means an instrument for catching animals. Second one is humble. Humble means not having or showing any feelings of superiority. Next word is pious. Religious or godly, Then next is trust. Trust means belief or faith. Then the next word is distrust. Distrust means do not believe. It's the antonym of trust or opposite word of trust. Distrust. Distrust means do not believe. Do not believe. Then next word is slave. Slave means here servant. Next word is beast. Beast means animal. Last word is gratitude. Gratitude means feeling of thankfulness. Feeling of thankfulness. Feeling of thankfulness. So students, today we have completed the sense group paragraph 1. You read the sense group paragraph 1 and try to perform the different characters. Try to play the role of different characters that are mentioned in the sense group paragraph 1 or in the scene 1. So students, thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.